Hello guys, alis na naman kami. Pupunta kami sa amin Antipara, Makuha. Nandito naman si Jod. Good evening. Hapon na kasi, gabi na, alas 6 na naman. Kukuha kami doon. Tapos ang ikama ko na iwan pa. Sige lang guys. Pwede man yan makuha. Pwede nga makuha ng driver, di ba? Kaya mo na. Yan. Dito naman kami. No? Kasi kahapon sa kabila ako, dito naman ako sa kabila, di ba? Straight lang total ya. Kahapon dito ako nag-video sa kabila. Dito na naman ako ngayon mag-video sa kabila. Sige guys. Di ba? Kasi kahapon din doon sa kabila kasi hindi makita ang place. Dito na naman ako. Ang ganda oh, kung gabi. Ay, ang ganda dyan oh. Albasang, ano yun. Ang ganda pala doon, Cheryl. May mga damit din. Mga gown-gown. Bago yan nga building. Bago. May mga hampangan ng mga bata. Yan. 40% yun. Taas. Dito kami sa kabila. Man. Dito ako sa kabila mabedyo. Diba? Taray-taray lang kami dito. Ay. Gabi na kasi. Alas 6 na. Okay, Abdo yung anak ko. Albaek. Okay in the Albaek? Mr. De? Oh, why not tell Olam for me? Thank you very much.
Olam say God gives you the heaven.
Yes, ganda na sasakyan, di ba? Ganyan, oh. Mayaman ako, bibili ako ng ganyan. Abdo, you have your car, your house?
Yes.
You're in Pakistan?
Yes.
Oh, wow, masyala.
Oh, that's right.
Ang ganda ng kasasakyan, no? Mga mayaman ako, bili man ako ganyan. Oh, mayaman. Ganda, oh. Katirpulos yan, oh. Yan, Abdo, no? Wala si madam na ganyan, no? Abdo, no? Nasasakyan, no? What's the name of the car, this one, Abdo?
This one,
Oh.
GMC.
Ha?
GMC.
Wow. It's a CG, yata?
GMC.
JMC, wow. How much this one, Abdo?
This one too much expensive.
2 million?
Hina, Saudi.
Saudi?
1 million.
1 million for the Philippines?
Philippines and I don't know the money rate, but in Pakistan.
2 million, maybe yan, this one. 2 million or 3 million. Ang galing.
Pakistan too much expensive.
This is man by balat. Pero you change your money is very
Yes, but
katir, di ba? Very high, amin very small lang.
very too much money, but expensive also too much.
Also common. Amin very small, but very expensive in the food. You see the dollars is 59 or 58. Oh, so your balance, how much the dollar? For the
I think 270.
yun, laki.
$1.
Sa Philippines is here in the real is 15.
But the Philippine peso good.
Oh, piso good. Very expensive in the food. Your rice.
In Pakistan, food is not expensive because every things we
Drive namin.
like a rice.
You buy Abdo, you buy one here in the
Huh?
eating your rice?
Where?
Here in the Saudi, you eating the rice every day?
Not every
You know
day.
cooking. What you cooking in the bread?
Like a bread, like a meal, like
You know Abdo, yun albay ko in Tatalya oh.
yes, in also.
It's very big in the restaurant the albay. You're cooking in the You're cooking in the bread in the
You eat all food halal.
the Philippines kasi the Philippines Abdo eating is rice in the morning, the lunch rice, the night dinner is rice.
Oh,
Done the Philippines, and always the morning is the rice and dry fish, you like that. But then in the after and the lunch with vegetable, okay da.
And also fish also.
Ah. Here kami, ana, meeting morning. Pandesal, pandesal, the bread, and then coffee only. For the lunch lang, me eating the rice, but then in the evening, me eating soya rice. Because we take the medicine. Kinda, abdo.
You take medicine?
Ewa.
Why?
Because I am sick.
What? Sick?
Maintenance, high blood.
Blood pressure, like
Oh, yes, ewa.
sugar?
Sugar, also soya.
Well,
Ayan.
no, too much.
Too much sugar eating eh.
No, but,
Ayan, diba, Abdo?
yeah.
Very hard. You open the window na lang, Abdo.
No, at all.
Why you not on the aircon? Very hard.
Because I take a shower now. So,
Because Madam Sheryl is be hot in the mini water outside. Ay, nako siya. My body, mini water. Yan. Ganda dito man, no? Kasi kahapon sa kabila ako.
One city also this is beauty.
Hmm. You eating your Pakistan? What you eating here in your balad?
Pakistan.
Aywa. You have a farm kaman in the Pakistan?
Yes, also agriculture.
Agriculture you have here?
Yes, I have also we crops.
What
wheat,
the plant here?
wheat, cotton, chilies also.
Kulyong-kulyong sili. Ba din mangga, okay da, mango. Mango. Okay da.
The word best mango in our Sindh.
Talking kami ni ni Abdo.
In Pakistan, too much Chinese.
Pakistan mini Chinese?
Many Chinese people work. Because China is too near with us.
Why you coming here in the Jeddah? Why you working here? Your driver only? Rasim, you office, you work?
Yes, inshallah. I finish this one, then I will.
You finish contract, you go home? Because Madam is ger.
Madam is always good, like fighting.
Mapita will here in the driver here.
Israel and Palestine fighting.
Mapi stay here in the driver of Madam Lina.
Because Madam behavior not good. Every time girgir. Not good for life.
Not the life hina. Mapi
Only
he's
one
then.
time come in the earth, then he
Before you together of the Olam is Pakistan. Ay, ger Madam Lina for the swimming pool because working siya is swimming pool. Baden ger siya, okay da.
Yes, Madam,
Baden go
Baden,
coming salary finish 1 month. Ay, go na in the Pakistan. Here together Abdo Olam sleeping. Happy he stay here in the driver of Madam. Because Madam is privilege.
problem girgir.
Ger. Also come on for me. Ger. The ger lagi ang ger sa Arabic sa Tagalog is lagi nagagalit ba? Yun sabi ni Abdo, ger daw. Everyday ger. Yan na. Mababain ang doktor.
And Hashim also good.
Also man Hashim. Mas Madam is not Simsim Arabic
Madam girgir ziyada.
Mapi smiling Madam Lina.
Movie every time like
Madam Lina Mapi smiling. For Cheryl smiling siya kay Cheryl.
also Dana, Dima also good.
For Madam, Madin kalam niya kay Cheryl. I'm sorry.
Everyone fighting, everyone fighting. Why you are fighting? Work is work, no problem. Work is no problem. You give every type of work, but not big good.
Yes ko, kulyong ka goggles. Kulyong ka goggles. Because you know, understand here in the Saudi, ano? The Jeddah. Ay, Abdo.
Madam have too much money, then he have say,
Oh,
I am the god
Caterpillar.
of the earth.
Oh, Caterpillar, Madam Lina. Also, Dr. Sapon.
I think, madam.
Because Madam is the Caterpillar na. Dr. Sapon, no need na. Mapipulos na.
Doctor is small company. Madam has more.
Mini,
jobs,
mini na.
factory,
Mini company o Madam. Caramel.
caramel,
Abosinada. Building.
buildings, rent.
Rent for the house, ano?
Allah Karim, Allah gave us also. Superior God gave us, inshallah.
Inshallah.
No problem, money, no problem. Life is good then.
The work is very nice lang nan. Mafinak na ger, no?
Yeah. Like home furniture.
Also, common, Madam Lina, mapi, smiling here. For the daughter, for the kids, the boys.
Every day.
Mapi mo, laping here, talking here in the house. Mapi. Dr. Shapuan, quiet because joking. Madam Lina, mapi.
Doctor Goodman.
Hmm.
Allah Karim, Allah gave more happiness.
Dr. Shapuan understand. I have your
Yes,
problem.
Someone understand every problem, yes.
Pero Madam Lina, mapi. Si Arabic talaga. Not good, Madam. Mapi naka fighting yung Cheryl. Mapi ka na. fighting yung Cheryl. It's very good na Cheryl. Mapi na salan. Bad you coming. Abdo, come here in the kitchen. Mapi na.
I go Prima house, the JC also good. JC give me water and say, Salam alaikum.
For Muhammad of Dana.
Muhammad also good.
Ha?
Muhammad also good.
Muhammad? Ano, what is very good?
But we don't.
Ganda,
we
oh,
only
the
go
flyover.
work, not for talking here. We only give him salam.
Dito na kami, dumating na kami dito. Dumating na kami dito. Kaway lang ang tao. Dito na kami sa may sunlas. Ay, ano ka? Balik naman kami, diba balik. Itong ganitong kayo yan. Balik naman kami.